I'm doing an intro. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna be testing out Clyde's sound pack. We're gonna be playing some Bedwars and Bridge with it. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. I don't know how these things go. So, like and subscribe. Yeah. Hey. So we're in our first game here. So let's see. Anything different? Okay, so so the blocks noises are definitely different. Oh, and the hit sounds are so like subtle too. But oh god, what the heck? Okay, just bypass around this guy. Shoot him. All right. Oh my god, like the kill sound is like so like oh my god. Yeah, so like the kill sound is like very like you can like easily recognize it, but the hits, I can barely tell if I'm hitting him or not, because it's like so like quiet. Yeah. Glitch through. Oh wait, you can't do it. Wait, did they patch it? Oh no. Don't tell me this patch. They patched it! No, they patched it. Dang it. Oh man. Alright, well, we're done with that game. Okay, so we're going into Bedwars games now. What the heck? Oh, okay. I was wondering if the chest had any sound, but it doesn't. But, oh god, that's satisfying. Cool. That's really satisfying. What? I barely even... I barely hear the wall placing sound. I thought my sound in game was like lacking, but like I guess not. Okay, this hitting's the same though. Die, thank you very much. Oh, we didn't get the pet in time, but hopefully we will final kill him here. Kill, 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 kill. Dang it. Dude, my blocks are turned all the way up. I cannot hear this. Okay, maybe, hopefully we can sneak attack this guy right now. That'd be pretty cool. Oh, I don't think he hears me. Hello, buddy. Bye, buddy. Now we murder Pink. Bye-bye. See ya. Ah! You guys didn't see anything, alright? Alright, you guys? You didn't see anything? Are we all clear on that? Alright. Ooh, oh, we're both good enough. Who's gonna win this? He goes for the kill. He doesn't get it. Oh, wait, I just took a fat load of fall damage there. Oh, no, he's coming. Oh, no. Ah! Oh, I died. Oh! I didn't die. Yeah, okay. End the video now. We're ending the video.